Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer XDC from your Phantom wallet to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're looking to trade, stake, or just manage your assets better, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. Let's get started. First off, make sure you're all set up. You'll need the Phantom wallet app or extension installed on your device, and a verified account on Kucoin. Remember, crypto transfers involve real money, so always double-check details to avoid any mishaps. We're assuming you're on the XDC network for this. It's crucial for seamless compatibility in 2025. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet. Log in securely and navigate to your wallet dashboard. Locate your XDC balance. It should be listed under your assets. Step 2. Select the XDC you want to transfer. Hit the Send or Transfer button. You'll need to enter the recipient address. Head over to Kucoin and copy your deposit address for XDC. Pro tip. In 2025, Kucoin might have enhanced security features, so verify the network matches XDC to prevent errors. Step 3. Enter the amount of XDC to send. Double-check the figures. Nothing worse than sending too much or too little. Add any required notes or memos if prompted, then review the transaction details carefully. Step 4. Confirm the transfer in Phantom Wallet. You'll likely need to approve it with your wallet's security measures, like a password or biometric scan. Once done, the transaction will broadcast to the network. Expect a confirmation email or notification. Step 5. Head back to Kucoin and monitor your deposit. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Once it shows up, you're good to go. And there you have it. Transferring XDC is straightforward when you follow these steps. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and keep an eye on fees. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.